Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ankita Mora and today I came again. I'm exploring Airoli food and this is Shanghai Chinese Corner, the food name, and they have completed 3 years here, and the timing of this shop is from morning 11 p.m. to 4 p.m. After that they close their shop, and later 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. So you can order, and I can see from their menu. So they take order from sector 1, sector 2, sector 3, sector 19 and sector 20. So for whatever sector I have told you, so for that sectors, that free home delivery is there, and they are available on Swiggy and Zomato. And let me read their proper address of that shop. So it is shop number 6, Malhas Height, plot number 37, sector 19, Airoli, Navi Mumbai. And so I'm going to order their most favorite, like here the local people, they eat most of that Chinese, so that one I will going to order. And I don't know, you know her? Oh, definitely you don't know. And I'm Chinese lover, so I like to eat Chinese a lot. So let's see and how all the things will convert, and I'm very excited to try this food because this is my first time in Airoli I'm trying. And actually I have tried a lot of Chinese cuisine in Thane, but not in Airoli, so this is my first time. I am very glad I found this Shanghai Chinese Corner, and I can see like how it is. So wait, let me show you how the sitting area is looking like. So this is their shop, as you can see, and downside, so there is sitting arrangements are there. People are eating. Here you can see people are eating. So it's feeling like you are eating in garden, not in any hotel and restaurant. And the place I can see it's very clean and hygienic. So I will order their most favorite goes menu, like most favorite food goes from their menu. So we continue in my video and I will show you more. So here soup options are there, and Indian oil and fry. This is starters, and this is non-veg starter, and this one is spring roll, and the seafood special here rice, and there is a backside also, noodles, main course, appetizers, sweets, and special family combo. So here it's their number, 3 numbers are here. So if you want to order, so you can order from Zomato and Swiggy also. And I'm a vegetarian, so they have non-veg option also. So I'm vegetarian, so I will eat that only vegetarian foods. And if you are non-vegetarian, so they have told me, so their non-veg are also good, like we call it, there are I think a lot of chicken something they have told me. This is famous, but I am going to order that veg. his shop. So that paneer 65 people must try, and otherwise the order, most of the order he told me about that, non-veg goes. So as a veg people, so most of the veg people, they ordered paneer 65. Actually, one beggar, he was watching me, so I was just confused. Who is watching me, like, who is staring me continuously. So I ordered the paneer 65. So let's see, because I haven't tried, and this is my first time actually. I don't know how it will look, because honestly, if I will tell you, I haven't tried that. I haven't tried that paneer 65. Like, this is my first time actually. I'm trying in in Chinese corner whenever I had visited in a past. So I mostly order from my side goes that fried rice, soup, Manchurian. This is my only my order goes. So let's see how that paneer 65 will look. There most of the orders are going from only online, like I have seen, and like on Zomato and Swiggy. Earlier I have told you in my video. So online is, like continuously that that person is coming, and like a lot of orders going actually from online, and I guess by their sitting area, so very less people are here, like not that much. But today is Saturday, so maybe like he told me on Saturday or Sunday crowd is there, so maybe I came very early. Maybe people wanted to eat at 10:30 or 11:30. So I can see crowd is there actually. Most of the crowds are here, but most of the orders are going from online only. So let's see when my order will come, because I'm very hungry, and when my food will come, so I will directly jump on that food, and my mouth is also watering because I'm seeing people are eating, and as I like to eat that Chinese. It's my most favorite, that Szechuan chutney. Guys, don't eat much, because it should give a problem to your stomach, because it's very spicy. Eat, but little only, not too much. Okay. So my paneer 65 has arrived, and Bhaiya is serving on my plate, and I can see a lot of Szechuan is there. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna eat this, because lots of Szechuan is there in this my plate. Can you see how much Szechuan is there? So what I will do, I will keep that Szechuan aside, because as you know, I have a problem with Szechuan chutney. Like, I can't eat, otherwise I have a lot of problem. So I know Szechuan is the most important thing in Chinese. It gives a taste in that Chinese, I know, but still, and I love food a lot. So let's see, because I don't want my stomach should get a problem. Let me take my first bite. Paneer 65. Are you excited? My mouth is watering, because my mouth is watering a lot. And in paneer, I will get a lot of protein. So I'm enjoying my paneer 65. And here is my first bite goes in my mouth. crispy. And so with paneer is really very soft. Like paneer is really very soft. So I don't want to, eat very harsh crunch. That paneer is very soft, like very smoothly I had in my mouth. The next thing I will tell you, really, if someone, when the person who was creating that Chinese, so the most three things in that Chinese, that ginger, garlic, and that green chili. Their taste is hitting, and without Szechuan chutney, I'm not sure you guys will like this paneer 65, because like Szechuan chutney in everything in Chinese really. Wow, delicious. And I have other also. It's really good. Oh my gosh, seriously. And you can see. Wait, let me show you again. That can you see that paneer size is big? Can you see this? The size of paneer is big and it's quite thick. Like every like paneer, if I will tell you others also, so they all are in a big in big size. That's great. And here my second bite goes. Really, I liked it. It's yum, delicious, flavorful, wonderful. And he has done that garnishing with that spring onion. So in between, that spring onions taste is coming. Wow. Very delicious, very yum. The best, like first time I had this paneer 65, and this is really good. Like here there are lot of paneer pieces you will get. See in this plate. I guess you will get. Let me count that how much paneer pieces you will get. 1, 2, and 2 I had in my stomach. 4. 12 pieces of paneer you will get, and in how much price? Let me declare. Let me tell you the price. 240 rupees. Quite cheap. Because definitely, like you are getting that paneer in a big size. So 240 is nothing. And I wanted to show you one more thing. Like I found in this that tomato big in size, and that onion also. Here. Onion. But it's very oily. So like only on Saturday, or I think on weekends we can eat this for taste, for our taste bud should be activate. So we can have this on Saturday or Sunday. That will be great. And this is, let me tell you the price. 240 rupees. Quite cheap. Because definitely, like you are getting that paneer in a big size. So 240 is nothing. And I wanted to show you one more thing. Like I found in this that tomato big in size, and this onion also. Here. Onion. But it's very oily. So I only on Saturday. Or I think on weekends we can eat this for for taste, for our taste bud should be activate. So we can have this on Saturday or Sunday. That will be great, and this will go good weekend also. And otherwise our Indian foods are very well, like dal chawal. No one can beat that dal chawal. Dal chawal is everything for me. And only Chinese are good, but I like only Indian foods. And so guys, as you know, where I'm exploring that food whenever and whatever I have explored in my videos and on my channel. So you know very well, like first I asked about them, have they received any complaint about their food. If they receive any complaint about their food, then definitely I'm not going to record that video, or I'm not going to explore. But whenever I go anywhere, first I ask them, how have you received any complaint? And I just ask them, are you sure? Are you sure? And if they will lie me now, so on that time, definitely, like they don't lie usually with me, because I honestly ask them, because I will upload on YouTube and people will see my videos. They will come, they will taste your they will come and taste your food. So why they want to put down their business, right? And that is not a good thing to give someone problem by giving them good food and giving some problems to them. So whatever I explore, so first I ask and then I explore. And before exploring that food, that shop, I first taste. So when before that I guess, I'm not sure, I guess 1 year ago. 1 year ago I had here that noodles here. Maybe I'm not sure. I'm not sure when I had, but I had here noodles or triple fried rice. So I had, and on that day I decided I will going to explore this food again, and I will have this. But this time I had that paneer 65, and I guess last time when I had, so I guess I have ordered the triple fried rice or soup, and that was also very delicious, really. So I don't think so you have seen how the quality is and how the quantity is and how the food area is. So definitely you will going to like, right? And if you are craving Chinese cuisine, order Shanghai Chinese Corner in Airoli, and it is only available in Airoli, like free home delivery, like whatever sectors I told you starting off my video. And if you are coming Airoli, or if you are coming to Navi Mumbai, do visit Shanghai Chinese Corner. Definitely you will like this food a lot. And they have a lot of menus for veg and for non-veg. So must try, must visit to this place. Till then, I will enjoy my meal, and I will close this video, and I will see you in next video. Till then, take care and bye everyone.